What is research topic? A research topic would be a specific question, hypothesis or problem you wish to investigate and answer which is under the scope of your research area. Words limits for research topic are usually 7 to 25 words. The scope of research topic is narrower. Synonyms of research topic is thesis title or dissertation title. Types of variables are known and variables are finally clear, such as dependent or independent variables in research topic. Prior to specify your research area, you can't select research topic. Example 1 of research topic is impact of dividend policy on firms' performance. Evidence from financial sector of Pakistan. Example 2 of research topic is effect of motivation on job satisfaction. Evidence from Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. Example 3 of research topic is impact of internal branding on employee retention and turnover. Example 4 of research topic is impact of project length on management control and quality. Example 5 of research topic is public relation practices of the oil and gas industry. Example 6 of research topic is impact of fiscal policy on economic growth in Pakistan. Example 7 of research topic is effect of climate change on environment. Example 8 of research topic is floods, stages, types, effects, and prevention. Example 9 of research topic is discuss the problems of enforcing international law in developing countries. Example 10 of research topic is Pakistan's foreign policy towards India, an analysis of civilian governments and military regimes 1972 to 2008. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.